Hello viewers. Today we'll be casting some light on some tips and tricks for writing a good precis, one by one. Without any delay, let's jump into the main topic. 1. In your first reading, go through the whole passage quickly and try to make an overall sense of the passage, that what the passage is talking about. 2. Your second reading should be more focused, because now you will look for the main argument and the supporting details while reading the passage. 3. Avoid difficult and unfamiliar words or phrases that are problematic to you. Try to figure out the meaning by looking at the context or the surrounding words. 4. Learn to distinguish between important and less important details, because you will eventually keep the important details while discarding the minor details when you pen down a precis. 5. Some sentences don't make sense in isolation, because chances are they might be connected to previous or successive sentences. Sometimes, simply you don't understand what the sentence is conveying. The solution is to leave it for time being and come back later when you read the passage a second time. 6. Don't write figures of speech, idioms, and phrases in the precis, rather write them in simple language. For example, if the phrase, kick the bucket, is used in a given passage, we will simply write it as, dead. 7. Avoid using expressions, like according to the author, or the writer says. It is understood, and don't waste valuable space. This will violate the sole purpose of the precis writing. Such expressions can only be used when the given passage is autobiographical and is written in first-person narrative. 8. Don't use bombastic vocabulary. Precis should be very simple so that everyone could understand. 9. Don't use synonyms of keywords, because synonyms are used in different contexts and situations, though they have the same meanings in general. Synonyms carry contextual meaning with them. 10. Use linking words where necessary. Linking words are thus, however, but, hence, etc. 11. Don't repeat words or expressions except the keywords. 12. The precis doesn't require your opinion. It is just a compact version of the original passage. Stick to what the author says and never add your views to it. This was all for today's lecture. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. But wait, before leaving, subscribe to English Language and Literature and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates.